understand the challenge of cable and pipe manufacturing, high input cost, variety of substrate, and the high-speed non-stop manufacturing in harsh manufacturing environment. Customer needs the industrial inkjet machines, which has absolutely no downtime and has a negligible waste.
Customer in India trusts KGK Jet as our machine delivers legible and precision coding even on substrates which has low surface energy and ink can have difficulty in bonding with substrate. Our machine uses integrated inline plasma treatment for 100% surface adhesion.
The meter marking software is one of the most reliable features in our CIJ machine. High reliability, ease of integration into production lines, their operational and process efficiencies reduced the maintenance and spare cost.